Hey everyone, my name is Olaf and today I'll show you how to compare two stocks in Python. As always, it's going to be quick and easy, so let's get started. Okay, so first off you need to import datetime, which is a module for manipulating dates and times. And then you need to import matplotlib, which is a Python 2D plotting library that you need to install externally. And from the matplotlib library, import style, which is about the aesthetics of the graphs. And then next, you need to import pandas, which is a data analysis toolkit that you also need to install externally. So in this tutorial, we're going to use datetime, pandas, and matplotlib. So for the style of the plot, we'll use the ggplot for the graphs. And then we will set a start variable, which is equal to the date where we want the stock analysis to start. So let's set it from 1st of January 2006. And then make an end variable, which will set the end time for the analysis. Now for the end time, I will set it to around 2018. And then let's make a new variable, which is df, and set it equal to web.getDataYahoo, which will collect stock data from Yahoo's servers. Let's make the first stock Apple, and then from the start date to the end date. And then let's make a second variable, which will be the second stock. Set df2 equal to web.getDataYahoo, and then let's make the second stock Microsoft, and then start and end. And when it comes to the graphs, we will display the adjusted closing price. So type in ADJ, and then close. And then it's time to choose the colors for the graphs, so type in .plot and then parentheses, and then color equals to, and then type in the color that you want. There will also be a link in the description with all of the color codes so that you can add whatever color you want for the graphs. So let's go back and just use the standard colors. So df2, which is the Microsoft stock, then adjusted close, then plot, and then color equals to blue. And then to display the graphs, I just type in plt.show as a function. And I will also print a text below the graphs to make sure that people actually understand what each graph means. So I'll set Apple is red and plus Microsoft is blue. So I just separate the text so that you can easily change it. So let's run the program and see what it looks like. And as you can see, we have the two graphs, the red Apple graph and the blue Microsoft graph. And just type in Ferrari stock, for example, in Google, and you can copy the stock code and change it in the Python program. And that way you will see the Ferrari stock, for example, in the graph. So Ferrari, and then let's change the color as well to yellow, just to see what it looks like. And run the program, and as you can see, we have the Ferrari stock. But it's pretty new, so you can't see it's before 2005. And then let's do the same for the Tesla stock. Change to Tesla, change the name to Tesla, and run the program once again. And as you can see, it looks great. So thank you guys for watching and subscribe.